Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to turn long, boring text into clean, easy notes using Notion AI. This is perfect for studying, research, and even making content. So, step one, you're going to want to paste your text into Notion, and if it's already there, then this step is finished. Step two, highlight the text and open AI. You highlight all the text that you want to simplify, and then at the bottom here you want to press Notion AI. So once you've pressed that, you can type into the search bar, can you summarize this text and explain it at the end. So I'm gonna send that through, and it's given a summary of your text and an explanation of your text as well. And that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.